Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling mixed GPU readiness. Open power settings, plug into AC, and pick performance. Once done, update both the integrated and dedicated GPU drivers so Windows knows how to switch smoothly. Next, go to your GPU control panel and identify which GPU handles 2D versus 3D tasks. This avoids stutters and wasted battery. Make sure GPU switching is allowed. Without drivers and power set correctly, you'll force one GPU only, which defeats hybrid gains. Now you assign workloads. Open Windows graphics settings or your GPU control panel and set each game to use the dedicated GPU. This ensures peak frame rates while letting the integrated GPU handle overlays and chat apps. Once done, cap FPS or use variable rate features to reduce unnecessary load and heat. Also configure in-game settings like texture streaming and shadow distance to balance quality and performance. Doing this reduces thermal throttling and keeps the dedicated GPU focused on rendering. Finish by running a short benchmark or gaming session and watch temps and GPU usage to confirm the dedicated GPU is active for the game while the integrated handles background tasks. If you see flicker, stutter, or unexpected GPU changes, reinstall both drivers and reapply per-app GPU assignments. This fixes corrupted profiles. If problems persist, disable hybrid switching temporarily in BIOS or OS to isolate which GPU causes trouble. Then re-enable once you identify and resolve the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.